What's up guys, it's Dwayne from mountainbuck.com. We go from backyard to backwoods. And guys, today I'm at Mike's Bait and Sport unboxing and assembling the Killer Instinct Boss 405 crossbow. This is a great entry-level crossbow. Inflation is at an all-time high. You got recession potentially just around the corner. This is a nice budget-friendly crossbow that's gonna get in there and get the job done and put meat in the freezer. So I'm gonna do a full review video on this later, so be sure to check that out. Hook me up and hit subscribe, guys, and let's get into this box. So there it is, guys, all set up and ready to go. It is the Killer Instinct Boss 405 crossbow, an excellent for your money crossbow. As always, guys, the links to the items we talked about are in the description below. Hook me up and hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and we'll see you on the next one.